Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to be connecting our JVZoo account with our S2 member installation. Now we'll need to go back inside of the product that we created. And then we'll need to scroll down to the bottom and then we'll need to go to external program integration. We'll need to skip down to the bottom and you're going to notice an area here called method for S2 member integration. And JVZoo tells you exactly what to do, and we're going to follow those instructions to the letter. We're going to first go to S2 Member, PayPal Options, then PayPal Integration. So once we've clicked S2 Member, we'll then go to PayPal Options. That will bring us to this page, and then we'll click the PayPal IPN Integration. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the optional third-party integrations. And then what we're going to do is we are going to grab this link. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to head back to JVZoo. Once we get there, we're going to put that link in this top folder. Now, one of the things that we're going to want to do is you'll notice that JVZoo tells us to be sure to replace this part of the phrase that says proxy gateway in the URL to something else custom that says JVZoo. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to take our arrow key. We're going to find that area. And then we're going to delete it. And we're going to write in JVZoo. And the PayPal IPN integration also gives us some additional data we need to put into the custom field. And you'll see that right here in this area. And you'll just need to copy this, or you can just remember it. We're just going to copy and paste that. And then we're going to go back to JVZoo. And when we go back to JVZoo, we're just going to put that information right inside of the custom field. We're also going to put in here the S2 member user level that we're going to be putting people into our membership on. And since this is our first product, we're going to use level 1. And we're going to just put the number 1 in there. So if you wanted to see what that corresponds to inside of S2 member, let's take a look. If you recall, in the general options area of S2 member, we had a space called membership levels. And you remember that there was level 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to use the first level, which is level 1. And all we have to do is remember the 1 in this case. So as we go back to JVZoo, we'll just put the number 1 in here. And now that we have everything in, we're going to click Save. And now our site is ready to start taking payments once we are approved and we place our buy buttons in a position for others to buy. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.